The Conga Line is back for Tau in 10th edition. You see, if you played Warhammer for a while, you know that back in 2009, a Tau player successfully beat a White Scar's army by using a Kroot Conga Line to block his enemy from coming in from reserves. Although this tactic is not an option in 10th, Tau players have a new Conga Line strategy, and this time it involves the For the Greater Good army rule. Allow me to explain. The greater good allows for units in your army to receive +1 to their ballistic score, as well as sustain hits turn 3 when they are guided by an observer unit. Upon your first reading of the rules, you may think that this rule only allows 50% of your army +1 to ballistic skills. However, with the Tau Conga Line, all of your units can get this ability if you use it effectively. For example, Unit A is the observer unit for B when B shoots into the truck. B is the observer unit for C when C shoots into the truck. C is the observer unit for D when it shoots into the truck, and so on and so on. Then, for one command point, Unit A receives the greater good benefit with the coordinate to engage stratagem. Thus, all units receive +1 to ballistic skills as well as sustain hits. But how is this possible? Well, it's possible for the following reasons. You see, to become an observer, all you need is the following: eligibility to shoot, visibility, and not being battle shocked, an observer, or a fortification. What is missing here is that GW did not include not being a guided unit as a condition. As such, the above example is valid as of now in 10th edition. But you may ask, what about eligibility to shoot? Doesn't the unit lose eligibility to shoot once it fires into a model, for example, the truck? Well, in 10th edition, a unit is eligible to shoot so long as it did not advance, fall back, or in engagement range of an enemy unit. Since neither of those applied in this example, the example is thus legal. Additionally, for more clarification, the rule commentary goes into this a bit further. The authors explicitly mention that for a unit to shoot again, it has to still be eligible to shoot. As such, eligibility does not go away once a unit has shot, otherwise a unit would never be able to use the ability to shoot again. Moreover, in the Deploy Teleport Homer secondary objective, GW explicitly says that an eligible unit to shoot can complete this objective, but cannot shoot this turn. GW would not have added the last part if eligibility to shoot went away after shooting, since this objective is awarded at the end of the turn. Another question you may be asking is, why did GW do this system instead of just give Tau +1 in ballistic skill all round? Well, a key part of this army rule is visibility, and so to pull this off, all units have to be visible, which is indeed difficult when terrain is included. Another question is, isn't this against what GW intended? Well, it probably is. However, so was the Conga Line back in 2009, but GW fixed it with the new reserve rules and unit coherency. Moreover, GW could have avoided all this by adding one word guided in the exclusion list for what unit can be an observer. And so, until they fix it, feel free to join the Tau Conga Line and dance your way to victory.